Have you ever wanted to make a dish that looks and tastes like it came from a 5-star restaurant, but you only have about 15 minutes to spare? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're making the viral sensation known as Turkish pasta. This is basically a deconstructed version of the traditional Turkish dumplings called mantı, but it's way easier and faster to make. Trust me, this recipe is a game changer. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, but it's also sophisticated enough to impress your friends and family. It's got this incredible combination of creamy, tangy garlic yogurt and a rich, fragrant paprika butter sauce that just coats the pasta beautifully. So if you're ready to make one of the most delicious pasta dishes you've ever had, let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. It's a really simple list. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite small pasta. I find that bowties or farfalle work really well, as do little shells because they have nooks and crannies to catch all that delicious sauce. But honestly, use whatever you have on hand. Then for our yogurt base, you'll need 1 cup of good quality Greek yogurt. Go for the full fat stuff if you can, it makes a world of difference in creaminess. We'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, minced up really fine, and a pinch of salt. Finally, for that incredible butter sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. If you don't like it spicy, you can reduce the chili flakes or leave them out, but they do add a really nice, subtle warmth. And that's it. So simple, right? Alright, let's start with the pasta. Get a large pot of water on the stove and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it's bubbling away, add a generous amount of salt. You want the water to taste like the sea. This is your only chance to season the pasta itself, so don't be shy. Go ahead and dump your pasta in and cook it according to the package directions until it is perfectly al dente. While the pasta is cooking, we can get our yogurt sauce ready. This is so easy. In a small bowl, combine your 1 cup of Greek yogurt with the 2 cloves of minced garlic and a good pinch of salt. Give it a really good mix until it's all smooth and combined. Now, here is a crucial tip. Do not heat the yogurt. We want it cool and tangy. If you heat it, it will curdle and split, and the texture will be completely ruined. So just mix it and set it aside at room temperature. By now, your pasta should be just about done. Before you drain it, it's a good idea to reserve about a cup of that starchy pasta water. We might not need it, but it's like liquid gold for thinning out sauces if they get too thick. Go ahead and drain your pasta and return it to the warm pot to keep it from getting cold. Now for the grand finale, the paprika butter, or what I like to call, the sizzle. Place a small saucepan or skillet over medium heat and add your 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt completely and start to bubble and foam a little bit. Once it's sizzling, add your teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir it all together continuously for about 30 seconds. You'll see the butter immediately turn this gorgeous, vibrant red color, and your kitchen will smell absolutely divine. As soon as it's fragrant and bright red, take it off the heat. Be careful not to let the spices burn, or they'll become bitter. Okay, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. This is the fun part, and it's all about layering the flavors and textures. Grab your favorite pasta bowl. Start by adding a generous portion of your warm, cooked pasta to the bottom of the bowl. Make a little well in the center. Next, take a big, luxurious dollop of that cool, creamy garlic yogurt and place it right in the middle of the pasta. Don't mix it in just yet. We want those distinct layers of hot and cold. Finally, take your sizzling paprika butter and drizzle it all over the top of the yogurt and the pasta. Get it all out of the pan, every last drop. And there you have it. That's your viral Turkish pasta, or deconstructed mantı, ready in about 15 minutes. The contrast between the hot pasta, the cool, tangy yogurt, and that warm, spicy, aromatic butter is just out of this world. When you're ready to eat, you can give it a gentle toss to combine everything, or just dig in and get a little bit of everything in each bite. I am so excited for you to try this. It truly tastes like something you'd get at a fancy restaurant, but you made it at home in no time at all. This dish has become a staple in my house for a reason. It's incredibly satisfying, packed with flavor, and just so easy. If you make it, please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and cooking along with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious meals. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!